Alright, on to the next one here. This is a smaller one. I hope it's my springs. I think my springs are supposed to be in this package. In one of these packages from AliExpress. Oh, do you know what? That might still work. Yes, these are my springs for my 3D printer. Because I lost the other spring. These seem a little on the small side, but let's pull one out here. It's a little on the firm side, but it might still work. I'll have to try and see how it works. Oh, because I can't print anything without that spring, which kind of sucks. And it was like a $600 or $700 printer. And without that one little spring, my whole printer's kind of useless, which sucks. It's probably in my room somewhere, but I don't know where it went to. But hopefully one of these springs will work just well enough. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and at some point I'll try and give an update if I'm able to print anything. Alright, have a good one.